How to download UBA mobile app. So if you want to download UBA mobile app, then first of all check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find some problems while downloading. So after checking that, open up your Play Store or your App Store and then go for the search bar, which is here on the upper side. Simply search for UBA mobile app. And after searching, here you will have this UBA mobile app. So if you want to download this, then you can simply tap on install, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. And after downloading, you can simply tap on open, which is on the right side, and then you can create your account or log into your account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.